Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to import saved passwords in Google Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Copy and paste this address in the Chrome address bar and hit enter. You will be navigated to the experimental flags area of Google Chrome. Click on the drop-down box in the password import row and select Enabled. Click on Relaunch Now. Now, to import the passwords, click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Under Autofill section, click on Passwords. Scroll down to Saved Password section. Click on the three-dot icon and select Import. Select the CSV file on your computer and click Open. That's it. File is successfully imported to Google Chrome. This is how you can import saved passwords in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.